We have just celebrated Easter 2020 during this COVID-19 lockdown period. On Monday, Thursday, Jesus has shown by his example how each one of us can wash the feet of one's neighbor. On Good Friday, by his supreme sacrifice, he gave the example of loving one another. How we can love one another, how we can sacrifice our very selves to give life to others. Therefore, the blood is very symbolic. Jesus Christ gives his blood on the cross to save humankind.
And therefore, your blood is replaceable. A life is not. Donating blood is one of the greatest ways to help humankind. 38% of the population all over the world is capable of donating blood. However, less than 10% do so.
A couple of days ago, I was approached by St. Xavier School Duranda under the aegis of DOCS, that's Duranda Old Xaverians, to save the lives of hundreds of children who are struggling for their life. These 560 children from across Jharkhand who are suffering from genetic blood disorder, which requires regular blood transfusion. And Atul Gera, who is the founder of Lifesavers, which is a voluntary group which organizes blood donation camps across the state to save these precious lives. And in this context, I see the contribution of the Ranchi Jesuits as very crucial.
Under the guidance of Father Ajit Kumar Kes, the provincial designate, a blood donation camp was organized at Manresa House, Ranchi on 14th April 2020 to save the lives of the children who were battling for life in Sadar Hospital, Ranchi. More than 25 Jesuits from pre-novitiate, novitiate and Manresa House, along with a few lay persons, volunteered to donate blood to save the lives of the thalassaemic children battling for their life in Sadar Hospital, Ranchi.
I am a volunteer for an organization called Jharkhand Thalassemia Foundation and Lifesavers, which is a voluntary group which is already working to support these thalassaemic children in Sadar Hospital. So one beautiful thing about this Sadar District Hospital is that they have a very dedicated, comprehensive care as daycare center for these thalassaemic children. So we have approximately 559 children.
Thalassemia Daycare is a facility in Sadar Hospital, Ranchi for treatment, transfusion, iron chelation, medicines for children suffering from thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, and hemophilia.
We need to come out of our places for food, medicine. So this is also one unavoidable thing that we also require to do, is to donate blood for these children. So I think I'm really, really thankful to Father Ajit and everybody in Manresa House and Provincial Father that they allowed and gave us a space for these children and helped them with life today.
Since the lockdown, the group of Atul Gera has only managed to get 248 units of blood through 6 outdoor donation drives. But the real requirement is actually for 450 units. But we are very happy as Ranchi Jesuits to be part of that blood donation drive.
The foundation was looking forward for our support in this tough time for the children. It was a blessing for the children by helping them with their blood need for their existence.